In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a sales funnel with Wix. We'll build a simple, effective funnel right inside Wix Studio by creating a focused landing page and adding the key pieces that move visitors from attention to action: a welcoming hero section, a contact form, a subscribe block, and an order form you can customize. Follow along, and by the end, you'll have a clean path for visitors to become leads and customers. Start by opening Wix Studio and heading to your dashboard. From there, click Edit Site to enter the builder. This brings you into the editor where you'll do all the work. On the left side, you'll see the main tools. We'll use the Pages panel to keep everything organized and easy to find. Open Pages, then choose Add New Page. Click Add to confirm and give your new page a clear name, like Landing Page, so you can spot it quickly later. A descriptive name helps when you're managing multiple pages or tracking performance. Now let's assemble the page itself. Click to add an element, then choose Sections. From the options, pick a Welcome section for your landing page. This becomes your hero area, the first thing people see. Use it to state your core value in a short headline, a helpful subheading, and a strong call to action. Keep it clean, high contrast, and easy to skim. A concise promise and one clear button usually perform best. Next, open the elements again and go to Contact and Forms. Then select Contact. Choose the layout that fits your brand and messaging. This section is perfect for inquiries or consultations. Keep the form short. Name, email, and one clarifying question is often enough at this stage. Fewer fields typically mean higher completion rates. Add one more form block by selecting Subscribe. This is your lead capture for newsletters, waitlists, or exclusive offers. It's a gentle next step for visitors who aren't ready to buy but are interested. Make the benefit explicit, like promising useful tips or early access. Finally, add an order form. This is the conversion piece of your funnel where committed visitors take action, whether that's purchasing, booking, or requesting a quote. Choose a layout that feels simple and trustworthy. Clear labels and straightforward pricing details build confidence. With all the pieces in place, edit to customize. Update copy to match your voice, swap in your brand colors and fonts, and tailor each form's fields to the minimum you need. Make button text action-oriented and specific, like Get Started or Secure My Spot. Keep spacing consistent so the page reads smoothly from top to bottom, and ensure each section reinforces the promise you made up front. That's it. Your Wix sales funnel is ready to guide visitors from interest to action with clarity and confidence.